Facade lighting is becoming the medium of choice for outdoor visual messages, with rapid growth over the past decades. However, such use can be very energy intensive. What if the required energy could be generated at the point of use? An interdisciplinary group of experts has come together to explore a new way to support the sustainable use of building facade lighting. To provide energy production and lighting, they combined LED strips and photovoltaic foil in one module. This way, energy can be produced and used within the same element. This module is then encased by a material called ETFE. ETFE, or Ethylene TetraFluoroEthylene, offers up to 95% light transmission. It is elastic while being very structurally resistant and has great longevity, as ETFE does not degrade and is easily repairable and recyclable. A building in Avilés, Spain is being used as a demo site. The headquarters for ITMA Materials Technology now also serves as a demonstrator for ETFE Multifunctional Modules. Two types of modules have been installed. The first version consists of a layer of ETFE foil at the front and back. Then comes a layer of photovoltaic foil, followed by a layer of light-emitting diodes, short LED strips. This gives prominence to the LEDs over the PV. In between each layer is a special material called EVA, or ethylene vinyl acetate, which keeps all the different parts together. In the other module, ETFE foil and EVA stay the same, but the photovoltaic layer and LEDs are switched around to give the PV prominence. First come the lights, and on top of that lie the solar cells. The layers are installed to maximize the amount of light reaching the photovoltaic foil while ensuring visibility of the LEDs. Two of each module type are installed on the building for testing to see which has the best performance for both lighting and energy generation. During the day, the PV foil absorbs the sunlight and generates energy. This energy can be sold into the grid or stored in batteries. During the nighttime, the LEDs light up. The modules can be used to transport different types of media, such as a video or marketing messages. ETFE multifunctional modules have a great potential for future commercial architecture. Displaying messages while producing their own energy can change the way we think of facades and make these buildings more energy efficient. Combining aesthetics and efficiency is challenging. The solution lies in specially developed technologies. For example, whilst this organic photovoltaic foil is not as efficient as traditional PV, it has other advantageous qualities, such as higher transparency and flexibility.
We wanted more efficiency, more energy production to have more hours by night with the LEDs lighting. But from the aesthetic point of view, this technology is really good. It's very attractive for the architects. So in the future, maybe with a better devices, the module will be perfect.
To optimize the energy production of the module, the materials need to be perfected for use. LED strips need to work hand in hand with the photovoltaic foil. The team is working together to find faults and fixes to prepare the modules for the competitive market. The energy production and consumption of the modules are carefully measured and analyzed to help find the right balance between visual performance and energy generation. The two module configurations perform differently, with one generating more energy, but the other acting better as a screen.
The first thing to do to commercialize these modules is to develop the industrialization of these modules. This is a step before the production of the modules to reach a very low cost of the production. Maybe in 5 years, I hope that this product, this development is installed on different facades around the world.
The ETFE Multifunctional Module can be used for monumental architecture, turning plain facades into screens.